Getting a coffee at a Starbucks establishment. Not to brag or anything. Excellent production value. They have nearly 2,000 followers. There's over 1,000. And they're so civilized that they will cut, there's 3 of them, and they will eat a hamburger by cutting it in 3 and all eating it. Meanwhile, I'm eating 3 burgers to 1 man. It's just not fair. But perhaps I've never been a team player. It's an excellent show, excellent program. Maybe I'd be a team player if I had someone like Kelly on my team. Holy macaroni and cheese. Colonel, you really outdid yourself this time. KFC sauce. You really shouldn't, Colonel. You really shouldn't. This is a lot of chicken popcorn nuggets. I think I got the family size. You can get like a large popcorn nuggets. I got the box. I didn't realize the box was for 7 people, but then again, when you've been wrestling Friday night with Jack, Dan, and Cece, you're permitted occasionally to splurge Saturday morning. I've been good all week, don't judge me.
One of the greatest boys of all time. The most serendipitous, the most unduplicated, Andrew Pinion.
Andrew Pinion here on a dark and stormy Saturday morning. I guess not really morning anymore. Continuing my deep and dark voyage with the Colonel. Really a review, it's more of a showcase because I already reviewed the classic chicken sandwich. Surprise, surprise. The Colonel won me over with his charm 4-4. This is the spicy chicken sandwich. I'm more doing just a showcase. The Colonel on a more spicy level. Wonderful, wonderful. And here we have the. It's a hearty chicken patty with some like spicy sauce and some pickles. Sliced dill pickles, no frills. Here we go. Don't burn me. Very crispy. It's very wonderful. I've been good all week. It's my cheat weekend. Definitely the best fried chicken sandwich I've eaten and reviewed on the channel so far. It's just the heartiness, the crispiness, it's not even close. Sorry, Jack. Well done, Colonel. Leave it to a fried chicken establishment that you have so much sans toppings, with the exception of pickles and now hot sauce on here. There's nothing else. It's completely dependent on the chicken itself for the flavor. As far as the spice, it's definitely spicier than the regular. There is a little spice to it. It's nice, but it's not, you know, if you don't like spicy things, it's not overwhelming. It's more lingering. Coca-Cola with KFC. I don't play by the rules. It's an extreme position here. Spice there. There was a nice way of getting it, the spicy. I would get it the original way again. And perhaps, you know, I would get it, either way, I would get it again, but I might prefer it just the regular way. But, you know, you want a little kick in the groin Saturday morning, get the spicy. Here comes the real review portion. That was more of a showcase. This is we're getting into the review order of it. What's in here? What's in this magic box, Colonel? Popcorn nuggets? Colonel, you really shouldn't have. Very nice, Colonel. I wasn't crazy about your wings, but these will fly me. Very nice, Colonel. I'm surprised. Sorry, I was getting a beam of light, a lens flare, like I was in a J.J. Abrams film. Smart reference, here we go. Definitely good. They're crispy, it's chicken, tastes good. It just keeps following me. They're fun, portable. I like them. I've never gotten a fight with a lens flare like this before. It's a constant struggle. But let me give these a 3 out of 4. Very well, Colonel. Very good. I'm not saying I'm having a baby over him, but it's close. I'm not saying I'm going to marry him, but engaged. Perhaps. This is really good. I would get this if it's not quite at the level I want to give it 4 to 4. Whoops. There goes moderation. Here we go. KFC sauce. Colonel, you son of a gun. Me and the son are getting in an argument. Being in the ring with a pan of fried batter and losing the fight, but enjoying yourself at the same time. A wonderful showcase of fried chivalry, spicy incarnation with an overindulgence, overabundance of popcorn nuggets. This is Andrew Pinion signing off in Every Park, USA, with a man sitting behind me. I think he's spying on me, working for a secret puppet organization with ins and outs to every code I'm completing.